Hi, we are SolPaDis, Solutions for Parasitic Diseases. During the LLP course, we've investigated whether a drug treating the parasitic infection Chagas disease could be developed under a for-profit business model. There are over 10 million patients infected with Chagas disease, over 90% of whom are in Central and South America. However, most of the patients live in extreme poverty, and as a result, this does not represent a viable commercial market. Recently, however, immigration has expanded the global burden of the disease, and there are now up to 1 million patients living within the U.S., which we thought represented an attractive emerging market. Further, Chagas disease is a zoonosis, meaning that in addition to infecting humans, it also infects other mammals. This suggests a potential vet market for our therapy. So based on what we knew, this was our plan. We will develop one of our pipeline products as a human Chagas disease therapy, likely in partnership with DNDi. We will drive value for the company through sales to U.S. patients, and we will supplement sales with a reformulated veterinary drug. So we got out of the building and started talking to people about human Chagas market. First, we sought to confirm the viability of the U.S. patient market. We spoke with a bunch of pharma BD folks, and the consensus was that the human Chagas market in the United States was non-existent, and that the only value generated by a Chagas drug would be access to developing markets. We then thought that a traveler's medicine market could provide drug sales. However, conversations with Karen Byrne of the CDC revealed that they didn't believe a traveler's recommendation was warranted. Thus, it seemed as though the human Chagas market was not a viable option. So we started looking more closely into a vet market, and we were surprised by what we found out. Conversations with researchers about the prevalence of canine Chagas disease with vets like Dr. Roy Madigan revealed fairly high regional prevalence in the United States. When we took these numbers into conversations with vet pharma companies, such as Dechra, they expressed significant interest in the Chagas disease space. Similarly, veterinary diagnostics companies indicated that the incidence rates we were speaking about warranted consideration into adding Chagas into their combination canine diagnostic. So we discovered that the canine Chagas market was indeed an attractive commercial option. So let's take a look again at our plan. We initially thought that we would develop a Chagas therapeutic for human market, and that's still the case, as we would still need to partner with DNDi to obtain early preclinical funding. However, once a preclinical candidate has been reached, we will no longer be focused on the human Chagas market at all, and instead we'll focus our commercial efforts on the canine market.